Hello everyone. Today we will go through discriminant analysis, chapter 12. We will download the data from the data mining website, 3rd edition. I downloaded this one, this here. I will open it and we locate the example on page 278 in the textbook about the riding motors. We look it up here, this one. We open it and we start working on this example in the textbook. We have the file open now and we see the data here. We will try to have a column here. So we have 24 records. The page on the in the textbook number 279 shows the same number of records. We need to run discriminant analysis here, similar to the one in the textbook. We review the data. Here, income, we see income is in thousands, so it is numerical. Lot size, we see it is also in thousands, and this is the category we need to have the model to work on it. Okay, non-owner and owner. Now we will start with the data here with the we will not do partition because the set of the data is small. We will run the model directly. We go to data mining, then to classify, and we select discriminant analysis here. We make sure the all the data is covered, and we select here the response is the ownership. We need to classify this, so this is the variable, and we select here owner. So if it is owner, we need it to be number 1. We select the variables, income and lot size. We hit next. Now here we show this option and everything here. Then we hit next. We show the details. Also, we can have the lifted charts, and we hit finish. This is what we get. And if you see, this one is exactly matching to the textbook on page number 278. Non-owner 51.42 minus, then income and lot size. Okay, the same for owner. It is matching, and this is actually what we will use regarding our model or our equation. The training data shows the confusion matrix, number of records as non-owner, and 10 out of 12 were classified correctly and 2 incorrectly. And then 12 as well for non-owners. 1 classified incorrectly as non-owner, and the 11 were classified correctly. We see here the records, and we see the probability for record by record. And what you can see here, that if this reading or this one is above the success probability cutoff, then it will be the one for the class. So let's take this one. You see that non-owner, it is 78. The threshold here is 0.5. So this one is bigger than this or higher, so then non-owner is the prediction class. Even the actual is owner. This one is below 50, so it would be just otherwise. Okay, let's take this one. this one, we see that this one is 50, 0.505 is higher than this. So this is the class which is owner. Okay. Now you can see this. You can see this on page 280, where it shows the probability for each class here. Okay, it is this one. You can see it in the textbook. Now let us get the data, the original data we have for all observations, and let's get them and have them here. Okay, so these are the data, and we already know this, but just assume that we will do the comparison. Now we have the same data. What we need to do here, as they did it in the classification scores. Okay, so classification scores for owners and non-owners. And this is, we will call it classification scores. Okay. Actually, what we will do the formula. We will take the one, and let's get it also from the model. The details we got. Let's copy this to here to do our formula. Okay. This, I will show you how the calculation on page 279. We do the equation, intercept for the owner plus the multiplication of the intercept for the income. Okay, we put here, just we fix this formula, multiplied by, we need to take the income. Okay, so the income for the for this house or this record. We hit, so this is the first one, the first record, and then we do the one for non-owner. Okay, this is just the income. We add the lot size, multiplied, we put F4 to make it fixed, and then multiplied by lot size. Okay, this is the number you can see on the textbook. We will do the same formula here. This one for non-owner plus income, F4 multiplied by the income plus the lot size multiplied by the lot size here. Okay, we take the formula to cover all records. Let's see what the mistake we did here. Okay, so we did the mistake. Okay, so we need to do F4 here and F4 here. Okay, now you see these are the same numbers for the classification scores. And actually the reason, if you read the textbook, you can use those as also like to decide if a class is owner or non-owner. You see, you compare the two readings here, the two numbers, 53.20 and 54.48. Which one is the bigger one? Okay, it is the non-owner. So the classification is non-owner. Now you see here which one is higher. It is owners. Okay, so the classification is owner. The same here, you see everything is higher is than the owner. Let's take this one, and this one we see here 63.23 for owners and 63.35 for non-owners. So then this is non-owners. So as you can see here, we can take it in both sides. One about the probability of each class here. We take the higher probability or through the classification score. Okay, let's see now the training lift chart. So we see the chart here for the records and also for the cases. We see the cumulative actual using the average, and when we use the one in blue, the predictive values. So that the red one is the standard value, and if we select the one as per the model, we get better results here. Also, we can see that really if we select the first, let's say 30% here, or like we get like double of the results here, twice of the results comparing to the standard average or selection.